thought you would do this to me. Thought you were so innocent. I thought I was the only one. And you wait all the way till now to tell me? Man, I feel like I'm in some kind of prison, and I wanna be free. I can still remember you telling me that I was the only one and nobody had ever said you. Since the last time I called you and we were critical, so I moved on and you made me trust you again. No, I take that back, cause I never really trusted you. I just did what I had to do, cause I remember whispers in my ear telling me to have no fear, cause nobody else lives here. But it was all a lie, lying all the time. Ever since you told me I'm gonna tell you how it's been. Don't talk to nobody, not even my friends. I can't sleep, and I don't even clean.
You said it once, said it twice, said it hurts, but I do it again. I don't change, I won't learn, cause I can't let it end. Said it's gone, let it be, cause you don't need a friend. Maybe I pull and you push and we cry till we laugh again. I promise you, you promise me, back and then why does it all fall apart in just a matter of time? So I'm thinking maybe you've made up your mind, cause you're this love. And I can't stand to fight no more, so please don't make me hurt you like I do. I don't really trust myself to leave, even though I hear you saying, baby, no, 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 no. I can't take no more of this till I'm knocking on your door, asking if you still let me in. Won't you